So today we're planting apple trees. We're super excited because it's something that we've been wanting for a while now. We picked up 4 trees, a couple different varieties this last weekend, and we're getting them planted today. So one of the hard parts about planting these trees was just figuring out where to plant them. As you can see, we live in the woods, so we don't have a lot of open space to be planting new trees that'll get enough sunlight. So we had to kind of walk around and look at some different areas to see where we could plant these 4 trees together. Alright, the trees are planted, and we wanted to put some kind of protection around the trunks because they're so young, and we don't want the deer or the pigs or any other kind of animal really messing with the trunks while they're really growing and needing to be a little bit protected. So we looked on Amazon for some, tree protectors, and everything that we found seemed really expensive, and we figured that there had to be some better way to do it. Say hi, Junior.
Hi, Junior.
So we're going to use some PVC and make our own tree protectors. So Brian cut these for me, just sawed a PVC pipe in half, and we're just gonna put it around the tree in order to protect it. So before we can actually put it on, gotta trim some of the lower branches off. So on this one, we're not gonna be able to get the bottom perfectly tight just because there's a little kink in the trunk, but it's still gonna be well protected with this. We'll zip tie them together. So we didn't get the same type of apple tree. We got a couple different types. So while we're doing this, I'm going to go ahead and write which type they are on the PVC, since I'm taking the tag which tells me what type of apple tree they are off while we're doing this. That way, further down the road, we'll be able to keep them straight and figure out which ones we like the best. So we got our trees all protected now. It should last them for a couple years, and then when they do outgrow these, it'll be really easy to just cut the zip ties off and take the tree protector off. I'm really happy with how they turned out, and hope that this gave you guys an idea of what to do for some tree protectors. Hope you liked our video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel, find out what other stuff we're doing, and see you next time.